us. Hey, you know how to wash your hands to fend off germs and disease, but how about washing out your nose? Yes, that's true. It's our focus on health today. This is Dr. Hannah Solomon. She is helping us focus on health today with a procedure called nasal washing. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
Solomon, good to see you.
Thank you for having us, Brett.
You brought along Kirsten Bellman, who's going to be one of our patients today. I have a deviated septum. She does not, so we're going to see two examples there.
Great.
Tell me about nasal washing and exactly what it is and how you came up with it.
Nasal washing actually has been performed by Buddhist monks for centuries and centuries. As a pediatrician for 20 years, I found so many patients who had nose problems and ear problems and sinus problems and even asthma, and not wanting to give drugs out all the time and wanting to prevent those illnesses rather than treating them, I began to develop this nasal wash bottle, and with the help of my patients and their feedback for 20 years, I perfected this system. This system actually delivers the flow along the nasal floor, removes about 80% of the irritants out of the nasal cavity, and draws from the sinus cavity out and exits the opposite nostril.
Okay. Kirsten, we're going to let her do it, and you describe what she's doing here. You said it's fairly simple. It's not just for adults. It works for kids, too, and it's not just for kids. It works for adults.
Absolutely, and it will reduce the amount of medications you use for allergies if used on a regular basis. Actually, she is going to hold the bottle straight up and have a neutral neck, so she doesn't have to bend or twist in the shower, and she's going to block the back of her throat by just making a K sound, similar to what you do at the dentist when they're cleaning your teeth, and she makes a complete seal with the bottle, and it will exit out the opposite nostril, and with it comes most of the goop that's in there. And actually what this does is it actually helps you, besides removing the allergens, pollution, irritants, it actually helps you breathe better, it shrinks membranes, it allows you to smell. Appreciate smells, and it helps your breath.
Well, you also said it reduces the amount of money you spend on over-the-counter medications.
That's a whole other subject.
That's a whole other subject on it.
$3.2 billion is spent on diagnosis and treatment for nose issues.
Okay, I'm going to try it as we go to break.
We're going to get you your own bottle.
Okay, you can get Nasopure in Hy-Vee stores in Kansas City, Lee Summit, and Independence, and at Nature's Market. Check out the website for a link to more Nasopure information. All right, I'll try it real fast here if I can make the K sound.
And lean over. Lean forward.
Tip the bottle up.
Oops, you got to squeeze the bottle up.
Squeeze the bottle. And I usually tell my patients it takes...
It's not open.
Oh.
All right, hey, there you go. We'll be back. More with Meredith. I'll try this later on.